In this lecture, you're going to study identification of ornamental plants and their different varieties. Let us have an overview of ornamental plants. Ornamental plants are those that are generally used as indoor house plant or in outdoor garden for the decorative purpose. Ornamental plants are grown primarily for display instead for functional reasons such as eating the fruit from the plant. What are the different varieties of ornamental plants? Some varieties of leaves are considered to be particularly attractive due to factors such as slender and long needless or flaxy textures. Leaves with unusual color are also common in ornamental plants. Some ornamental plants are cultivated for their attractive and bright colors foliage, whether the leaves are evergreen. Another varieties of blossom out of which flowering ornamental plants are especially common for both outdoor garden and as the house plants. Many flowering plants are used also not only for the attractive appearance but also for the pleasant fragrance. These includes magnolias, gardenias, roses, lilies, honeysuckles, pantanilias, etc. Shapes. Certain variety of ornamental plants are cultivated for their shapes. Vine-like plants are cultivated to be trained into growing onto the specific thing, such as fences and trellises. Evergreen shrubs and trees are trained by constant pruning and trimming to create topiaries and hedges. What is plant life cycle? Have a look at the pictures which defines the life cycle of plant. Life cycle is generally used by the flowering plant. The flowering plants include trees, grasses, shrubs and of course flowers. There are also lower type of plant including ferns and mosses. These also have a life cycle but they do not produce seeds. They produce a different amount of reproductive cell called as spores. Annuals are plants that grown from the seeds. Flower and produces new seed in one season only after which it dies after producing new seeds. Perennials plant are those plants that live for 3 or more years. Their flower is for short period of time. The plant or trees does not die after flowering. Biennial plants are those that live for 2 years and gives us flower and then die. Food is produced during first year and flowers in the second year. What is angiosperms? Angiosperms are plants with flowers. They produce seed that develop within an ovary. There are two subclasses of angiosperm. These are monocotyledonous, that is monocot and dicot. You can refer the following chart to get the difference between the two terms monocot and dicot based on structure of leaves, flower, stem and seedling. Let us study the different type of garden. Gate garden are often used as a display of class and beauty in many different Western cultures. According to decorative purpose, it is divided into two types. These are gate garden and lawn garden. The purpose of gate garden is to serve as very inviting entrance into the garden. A lawn garden is an area of land planted with grasses or other durable plants which are maintained at short height and used for decorative purpose. Have a look at this picture which are images of gate gardens. There are some other images of lawn garden which is decorated beautifully with different ornamental plants. This is for today. See you in the next session.